Welcome to yet another Pass and Move special proudly brought to you by Benaya Foods. We're coming to you at Aloveve Stadium. It's a Chicken Inn taking on a Moze Football Club. Put us here, Mushab.
Angimnandi uzithi
Chicken Inn 0, Moze Football Club 1. Ibone njani game?
hayi chicken ini iyehluleka iyehluleka kumele izame ubungcono
Kuyalani?
phambili kuyala emuva i-defensive ingcono ne-mid-nyana but ama-strikers hayi kuyasilela kancane kumele bazame iplan.
Ngiright mina.
Uyibone njani game?
Igame ngibonile sibili but iChicken Inn team yami mina ngisebenza lapha eVeve Stadium. But iChicken Inn i-team yethu esisupportayo i-right emuva la ku-mid lapha ife phambili ayina ma-striker kahle kahle.
Imozi uyibone njani? I-team njengoba kuyi number 1.
Hayi Imozi yona ile bora i-right but iChicken Inn ishota ngama-strikers. Ucoach kumele azame ukudinga ama-strikers lapha abamba i-team kahle kahle ukuthi i-team ibe right. Yabo and ucoach uyathatha abantu aba right bahlalise benchini abayazi ibhora kahle kahle qeda lapho esebangenza last time. Yabo so into leyana ayikho right yona leya. Siyabonga bot.
Sharp brothers.
Njani?
Amna sharp mina. Chicken Inn 0, Moze Club 1.
Yeah, I got disappointed, especially ngapha side in region. We are disappointed in performance of Chicken Inn. Because at least you have got two teams, so our hope is on Chicken Inn.
My team is njenge team top of the local. Uyibone njani?
Yeah, so far so good. They are doing good. They are doing good. You don't want to lie. They are doing good. If they stick to their strategies, come mid-season, we'll see what's going to happen. Almost, I'm impressed with Verem. Yeah, I've been following him for such a good player, Chiefs. He's impressive.
He's a good player, eh?
Yeah.
All right, I think Spudas.
Thank you, Shabo.
Sure, my brother. Mtala wa Munjani?
Ngiyaphila baba.
Mtala, another disappointing result for iChicken Inn.
Of course.
Uyibone njani yona igame?
Okunganti kuba buhlungu kakhulukazi ukuthi angithi siyabasikhangelela ukuthi esekhaya phela yenze ngcono. Iko kuhlupha kakhulu. Ikakhulu mntana ngikhangelisa ukubana ke zona zilutshwana team lezi lapha okwamanje. Z2. So kusenza kube nzima ukuthi njengabantu esikhangelela ukuthi mhlambe inkezo le league ingaba lapha kobulayo silesikhathi phela ingekho lapha.
But yona igame ngokwayo uyibone njani?
No, igame ngokwayo mbona ngani hayi kuseselo hlupho kusesemqala kuyaqansa sibile ku Chicken Inn. Kuyaqansa ngoba isikhathi esiningi mbona bephonga ubuthana ndawonye ugcina ungasakhawunti kwenzakalani.
Hayi, alright siyabonga mthomthana. Sharp. Kunjani?
Ngiyaphila bhuti njani?
Hayi mina ngiziphilile. Uyibone njani igame?
Igame ngibonile kodwa mina into engisolayo ukuthi inkukhu lezi azisupporteki. Zihlala zisuthi iChicken Inn every day. Kambe zidliwa njani every day ku home. Mina ngifan yebhoso ngoba stream buya la eChicken Inn. Zidliwa inkukhu lezi ngicela ukuthi umuntu omnikazi weChicken Inn engaziphi inkukhu zezisuthi Chicken Inn.
Chicken Inn another disappointing result.
No, thanks very much. The game ngibonile right but the problem ukuthi umunyama ukhona everywhere. If nezindlini umunyama uyatholakala. iChicken Inn idliwe. No, the game is okay. I'm not a chicken man but I'm a Dynamo supporters. But I see the game and the game is 50-50 but Chicken Inn problem kulama problems lapha ngalapha. Ama teams wonke nama problem but Chicken Inn ngicela ukuthi pull up the socks. You win the games. I came little lamuhla angichazanga. Team loku winning of course Moses is okay to win but la team you winile ichancile ukuchansa but thanks very much bro the game is okay but next time Chicken Inn ayidlala ibhola right. Siyabonga.
Mfundisi.
Yeah, right Ntuna.
Anshap mfundisi. Uyibone njani igame?
Hayi game le vele ndolaka ngikhona ndolaka. Inkukhu siqaphele thina nxa sibuya kwaYilanda siyazilolaka ngoba sengigodole kubi ngomqando. Dala bedliwe kona. Vele ngicaphuke kubi ngokuya kwesikhathi bezama ukulungisa istrike force yabo. Ocharamba bake bahlale phansi laba hayi yazi begugile laba. Abalungisa istrike force yabo. Kungaba right ngoba yeye lokho abawenze namhla abasibuleli.
But Imozi yona uyibone njani?
Hayi Moze hayi. Isikhathi akudlala iyadlala abafana laba badlala babona ungamasapota khona kuthabile namhla isikhathi sabo kodwa vele isizini siyaphela yabe inamba ikhona ngo10 ngoba sibekela u10 nje khona siyafika thina abadala ibhoso.
Ngiyakuzwa mfundisi. Mara ke ngizwa abantu beMoze. Bakhulumiseni.
Yebo baba.
liyakhuluma.
Singabalokali.
Uyilocal.
Yeah.
Into mepenge lisivakatshele.
Hayi ngitsho singabakwapha koBulawayo.
Congratulations on your 3 points. Ibone njani game?
Hayi game vele sibuye sikwazi ukuthi sizothatha i3 points. Kuphela nje ama goals befanele abamanengi nje but hayi khona ukuyana okwenzakele siyabonga. Hayi into esesikhangelele besikhangelele itsebhede vele. Hayi into eningi kakhulu.
Putha solo ibone njani game?
Game ishwada mdala. Vele bezimele kube ngamangoma la.
Konke ngamangoma.
Next time it's 5-0. This time I see this Zwelile 31. Next time 5-0. Salichel.
Sharp, my brother. Sharp. Hey, man.
I just want to say thank you to Moz for displaying good football. 2025 league champions, Moz. Big up to Tamuka for providing us with good transport. Last year they stole our league when we were in Division 1, but this year I promise you we are going to take the league. The new Dynamos, the new Islanders, Moz is the biggest team in Zimbabwe right now. Whether you like it or not, Moz is still on top of the league. Big up Tamuka and the rest of the Moz family. Big up Norton supporters, big up Harare supporters. 2025 champions, Moz.
Alright, ungakahambi. Ngicela ingoma nje eMozi.
Ulifuna ingoma yaMozi? What is it? Alright. Mozi yauya baba, Mozi yauya vanoro Mozi yauya baba. Vanoro Mozi yauya baba, Mozi yauya.
Mozi yauya baba. Mozi ya, alright. Mozi bora shua kana ndikafa na Mozi bora mai kana ndikafa chava wana we muchengeta Scotland Zebulawayo dzese tadzidya takatanga nehombe tarova biki yacho Zebulawayo dziri kunaka
Batara bamlibone njani uthi game?
Mozi kupisa guys. Mozi is the best team in the Premier League. So we got to support Mozi. Dynamos, Islanders, Caps United and every team in this country. Let's support Mozi. Soccer can change anytime. This is the time for change. It's Mozi now. So let's support Mozi. We are coming for you, Scotland.
Mtara ubone njani ni game?
Right, bora ranhasi ranaka ratapira. Tavabata tiri kuti isuzuka muno dzekuna kuBulawayo takatanga nehombe yacho takaiumburudza. Nhasi tabata diki yacho taiumburudza. Scotland beyond tiri kuuya pa 14 up. Pa week 14 tinemi.
Sister uripo?
Aiwa bo muri sei?
Game waiona sei?
Aiwa game ranga riri bo ya ramboda kunoti tough but aiwa Mozi inozongopedza. Small aya hande mberi. Takumirira teo 1 iri kuya pa home topedzera. Aiwa topedzerana. Moudzana. Famba Mozi. Moudzana.
Congratulations sister.
Thanks Budi.
Donatori. Timu inopisa. Mavira. Aiwa yakaipa. Hombe karenga wediki.
Umdlalo sobonile sebele uyachaza sebele uchaza sebele hayi imusi iyadlala sebe noma sizikhuthele noma sidliwe nguref akula problem
hayi ngiyakuzwa Puthas ngo my sister lawo ala yo ama support manje lawo ngiyabona mphahle wabo mama bahle njani banlayita my sister I'm right.
Tandri right makati zvenyu.
Ai ndiripo. Game chayo chamaiona sei?
Game ranakidza. Hombe. Moudzana. Hombe. Torema.
Sister game waiona sei?
Ai game ibi right game. Sibadlile inkukhu sibuyile sazozidla endaweni yazo. Inkukhu sizidlile shem.
Apparently smartness my sister.
Tinotenda regalia. Regalia manyama. Mozi magetsi.
Back on top of the logo.
Ma?
back on top of the logo.
Mozi, what sports? Mozana udzana. Mozi chapter.
Sharp siswake. Abo.
Madini.
Mtalo sharp.
In sharp rinjani.
Uribo.
Indiri right.
Game warona sing.
Game wafana watamba. But Mozi. Aye. Havana masters but vari kutamba zvavo zviri bho. Havana rafu. Chicken in
problem ni papa chicken in.
Strikers neselfish wada too much proud kuti ndikamwisa ndini ndenge ndane chimuti ndozvavarhirwa izvozvo chete but Mozi hachibaba zvacho vafana wadiki but magetsi aripo atirambe anditi but ona chikenini vamazita chete anditi but kipa wechikenini Donovan dai asina kuisa Donovan andika dai aisa uyo anochara kubata mufana uyawo Matutu anditi dai yawina vana ango mazita vakura anga vagare pabench
serious
vafana vane jinja
serious mndari
serious
national team goalkeeper
aiwa zvakapera ka national team goalkeeper zvakapera iribo
sharp mtara sharp put asibu all right go group no put us put us amusharp
ya sharp mina hambani
umkando put us kuyafika
awusibulele samuthi sizo support inkukhu manje inkukhu yas disappoint abantu from all the way eHarare khona bezosidlisa bezosidla siphekiwe laphana
hayi sorry mtara kuyatholakala
nini yakona sibe sizoyisupport izayibona sivukela kwayilenda khona la thina sisaba support ukuthi labo bevali gap wesihlale silama team amaningi obulawayo but bona ibabagcina sebisele emuva kade sibe ngaphuma beye ku relegation thina sesisala sesiyi team e1 so kungena 1 siyabulaya imileage lokho silanda osasariva le
I thanks my brother
sharp key
sharp put us mina nibotara wena beMozi marasta eMozi marasta yes aya
tiri kufara tabva all the way from Norton tikapedza masport tikufara nevatsigiri vedu vese aiwa timu yedu iri kufamba nebhora Mozana
mira ndibobvunza nezve game chairo iro wariona sei
game ndaona unge referee vagona kurefera game zvemunyatu wavo chaizvo ka because kana referee asina kugona kurefera game kana taona paitika ndewa hapana kana ndewa yaitika kura kuti zvese zvazviri correct game rafamba zvakanaka unfortunately kuti but
iwe blazo wariona sei game
game ma1 uona vakomana Mozi ka mafambiro vangu vachita vanhu vavakauka ma1 vanhu vanozongotryawo zvavo zvemunyati yavo ngoti apa zonzi pena chiche but as long refu kana asina kuti pena aiwa hakuna zvakadaro
chicken inoiona sei
aiwa zvemunyati aiwo inga iri nani but paposition zvemunyati ka haya Mozi yanga ichifamba bora zvekutodaro zvekutofambawo zvemunyati zveposition aiwa Mozi yanga iri kumberi by far.
Congratulations, 3 points.
Good.
We are watching. Very good, right? My brother, what do you say?
Boss, wangu suta say.
Game warona say.
Game ranga ribo. And chicken in ga ice team yekuti tino underrate iri good asi Mozi ruro ndofunga mazonera kuti vanorova vamwe vanenge vauya zvoshuwa and ane matambirwo ataitwawo nemandevele anonakidza bos taifunga kuti pamwe pachaitika zvimwe zvinhu zviri random but aiwa
bhora mutambo hakuna zvenoise kana kuti chichi toona bhora chete
aiwa isusu tiri kufara ende zvinofadza sokuti unenge uchirova maPremier Giants ubit Highlanders, Dynamos, now Chicken Inn, we draw with the FC Platinum, we draw with the Simba Bora, the champions. We are so happy.
Thank you bro. Congratulations on 3 points.
Congratulations kwatiri isusu tiri kufara zvokuti takutoenda kumba road inorwadza kufamba wakajiwa
mofamba bho kunotoni
aiwa bho pamuchauya tokutambirewo zvakanaka.
Thank you my brother. Sharp. Put us up. Nangikrend. As always, ngiyabona uyabuzo support Chicken Inn but disappointing result yet again.
Yeah, and into yangikhona sengiqala ukuyinanzelela ngenye indlela. I think i-technical team yangikhona eChickenini ayacela ama-ideas. Yeah, honestly speaking, you can't be doing same thing over and over again ungela improvement and say
true.
So I think ba relaxed akula agents akula. Yabona.
But igame yanamuhla yona ibone njani?
Second half was good sibili. Second ngabe ngadlala njengendlela abadlala second half they will start picking points and they have to do it the earlier the better because mbaya ngale.
Wena Rod ngawushaya wena.
Wena wephosa.
Hayi asiyari machitati na support ayirenda. But chicken inside andira. But chicken in yasipayizisa this is. Thina silanda yela la. Bona basethu sethu. Mase bebuye PF sebeze chathi. Akusavumi lokho machita asivumi ka test chicken in asivumi machita thina si ayirenda machita silandela.
But yakwazi into ayithanda kwini. Liyabuya uzoyisupporta nje team ekhaya
of game mina nami ngombono wami mina ngifavorite Island and ngifavorite Island
wena ufavorite Island
but and you support local so if you support local and sabe sifisa ukuthi lathi abafana bethu beChickenini wezama ukwenza umqondo ngani nomad labo wezama ukupasa sabukela igame yeChickenini leSimba Bora wayenza same thing but eqinisweni mina uyabona i-team ade sidlala iMozi idlala iplay emnandi it's a good game but into engitsho sizachayisana nayo ngapi EPF lapha kusebhena bar lapha lapha uphonga uphunywa but lathi sabe i-defeat yavu wonke umuntu akunamuntu otshone wina but the love of game igame ibimnandi but iChickenini iqine yabanjani bayikhulela
Putas uyavumelana na yini Putas?
I think igame yangikhona ibalance because ingacheck iMozi ithole one chance yona lana iyadinga ni clear chance abayihlohlileyo other than that Chickenini kwanza ukubalance bengaba le creativity bekwanza ukuthi be creativity bekwanza ukuhla ama goals very tricky ama goals bekwanza ukuhla ama goals and then team yangikhona singadlala ibhola because issue ngama goals abuyi because sesiya ku 11 now siya ku 11 abakabe win each one game home and nxa ufuna ukuthi survive relegation nembani semebeqala ukukhweza ama socks
and kuhoma
abahlohli kuhoma abahlohli so uyathatha njani ama points ongahlohli team eselela besides Islanders
ngithanda ipoint yakho ikhulumile ukuthi technical team is time the change or kwenzakale something because they can't be doing same thing over and over again.
I think either they change technical team or they change system. Well, one of those two things made us change because they collect my points. Yeah, because I think my ideas are looking where every week I'm still seeing the same thing over and over again. No creativity. I want to change zona less.
Mina nami esifiso into ekhulunywa uPutas and it's a good point and the intention is uzakala iChickenini yenza the same mistake and but ngesifiso sami izolo bemukela iBlaue Chiefs and idlala team nangu ngokuthiwa iKarakambe ngokuthiwa Eagles and yabona iplay idlalwe yini iBlaue Chiefs mina ngizubuhlungu ngenxa ukuthi iBlaue Chiefs ku D1 but ngesifiso sami mina iBlaue Chiefs ngiyafisa ukuthi ku Premier League antsho yi number 1 ngifisa ukuthi abafana bamedlali bedlala mina ngiyishiyami ngathi vele ngabe iBlaue Chiefs yenjani yangenayo kule Chickenini
andi yaphuma ngabe kwaphuma iChickenini kwasali
Chiefs because abafana beBlaue Chiefs balothando ngebhola but mina ngesifiso sami ngabe mina ndemali mina iBlaue Chiefs bengenza isponsor for the love yayo futhi and
hayi ngiyabonga machita ngiyalizwa machita
China machita sinathi ayirenda machita
sapura yeah always
into sicela bengicela abafana bami be nice on a weekend Sundays Highlanders versus Platinum Be nice. Because our father was Chakiri. But no pay.
Sacha Machita siyabonga labafowethu laba basifaka emsakazweni. Siyabonga abafowethu.
Ngikho lithathi lokuze lapha ilinkuza lenika iphutha.
Abasifaka emsakazweni abafowethu laba abasifaka la.
So photo. Mana mvale mtara sokushama sekuthethi kodwa la. Shawutala. Sushap. Mbalel. It's been yet another exciting pass and move, especially here at man, okay, Bianilo Martina, always, very always. Always very important interview. Yes, 2 minutes.
Yes.
Chicken in 0, Moz 1. Game I wanna say, okay.
Oh, uchika, uchibasina nuzi, kunanza zikune nemuroma wakomana Mozana uzana. All the way from Norton. Saka trukuti, atukutasa shwaka wanda, asi Mozana uzana. Mozana. Moz one, thank you so much.
Plus, you want to do one thing. Tendera one, vaone something. My favorite player, the Diago is, why wanna say game?
The Ash 22. Parinoroa baba. Wanoroa wangwe wauya. Wanoroa wangwe wauya. Wanoroa wangwe wauya. All the way from Norton. Tafika pa Blawayo, Luveve Stadium. Moz 1, Chicken 0. Martina. Muloiti mutasa dedi. Uchiwe bora. Wacha uzana. Kwete kuzana. Ayo wana baba mutasa bora natanga.
Bom ngoma. Je ubonile iposo je ibisi education. Obusufuma chayile yakho mtana.
Yeah, ngiyabezwa lapha bayakhuluma nje abafowethu linjani lonke ngiyalibingelela lonke izindawo lapha. Hayi ngabafana bethu hayi imozi yadlala. Hayi siyayenzela amhlophe layo ngabafana bethu libhora lakithi hayi ibhora li round vele. La ngalezo kuphela nje ku chicken nje hayi.
Lani njengoba lichana.
Anti baqala ukuthi thina bebhoso base belandela hayi. But babuya bezothola phela ngale BF babuya bazabuya bezothola kwabo.
Hayi akuyazwakala Putas. Hayi siyabonga. Sharp Putas. I'm not getting so. When I get him so. Let me tell you. Let me tell you. Bianga. Mama baby bike ya ufayele. Che. Laba lesupporter ele elikhulu akalovi ku chicken in but uhlale ezondile everything akanuzondeleni.
Ask why. They are robbing chicken in.
Njani?
Revels.
Hayi but Liana Sombeko le.
That was a totally penalty.
Hayi lapha
that was a foul.
But lapha sivumelane lapha.
Penalty. Awuyivuma nje.
Liana so penalty.
When that in the box is what?
Hayi akula contact lapha.
Akula uwenjani umuntu ku box?
You dived. Bemele pure yeni yellow card.
Let's say that but that another one here.
Mina mbonena la.
Corner kick. What about the corner kick?
Ayiyo.
It was a corner kick. Clear corner kick. So you say what?
Urefly ngumuntu uyaphambaniseka.
Umfana emzirikaza nje. Uref ngemzirikaza nje. Engenza njalo sihamba sechisa indlu yakhe.
Hayi violence asifundi ngachisini.
We know that you don't know to violence but the referees they are influencing us to violence.
As fully violence, not to violence.
Not to violence, but the referees they influence us to violence.
Nyakuzwa lapho yakhona but ayisikho.
We know that
but alright asiye game yoni ibone njani?
Singasakhuluma game. Very nice, brilliant. What's that team called?
Moz the chicken.
Moz is a nice team and they play football.
Thank you.
They know how to play football.
Thank you.
And they've got strikers.
Thank you.
Long strikers who know how to head the ball to the gate. Chicken in, they are dull. Especially Coach Antipas is very silly.
Matete is coach. Wala sivale. Asasicha wala sivale. Uputha siphathale mina. Uputha mana ngikade uputha wamjeni. Uyibone njani game?
Mozi which baba. Mozi which baba. Mozi inozvigonera. Zvese zvaitika refa gona basi. Handingati refa atadza basa paaiwa refa gona basi because Mozi inofamba bhora. Yagara pachipo chekufamba bhora. Famba Mozi famba.
Ndio unoda kutaura chete. Boom jarang. Sharp. Ukhulumile batani? Wataura. Awutauranga. Mkoma muri saying?
Ndofala, muri right. The game was balanced and Wamtasa wangu yakuzongodzisa vanhu bhora. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice passing.
Lesson, football lesson.
Yes, we don't change our game regardless of the opponent. Even if the opponent attacks, we just play our football. Passing game until we get a goal. Then Tovara gets ready. One goal is going to take us to the championship.
I see Murmuru Pamsorupa logo.
Yes, we are on top of the log. And this guy, this legend, Mapoka, that's my brother. He's going to be the top goal scorer this season.
Martin Omona saying.
Martina, he is good. He's my young brother. I used to play with him Kumabuza Mandara. But he has developed his game and we are happy with the results. Yeah, sure. Yeah.
All right. I think congratulations on the 3 points though.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much for Bulawayo people. They've welcomed us very well and they've hosted us very well.
The city of kings and queens.
The city of kings. Kontutuziatu.
Shamaboka. 0 Mozi Football Club. Wanibona njani game?
Hayi game lelo yazo chicken in angizwanga kahle sibili photwazi. I-chicken in yayithanda sibili team yami sibili. But kodwa team yami yayidlala that day but kathesa hayi indlalele ngenye indlela. Angazi kumbe siyarelegate angazi ukuthi senza njani. I-team yami isupporta sibili. Yimi supporta chicken in sibili. Ngisebenza futhi even khona la but kodwa chicken in yami le hayi angikwazi.
Hayi
izabuya.
Ayabuya put us continue support.
Yebo sicela uMoza lapho.
Sharp put us. Another exciting episode of Pass and Move special brought to you by Ipenaya Foods. I heard from the Moz fans, the Highlanders fans, the Chicken Inn fans, a lot of different views. As you know, football is a game of opinions and different views. But the fans, the owners of the game, they enjoyed the game. As long as the fans enjoy the game, they give us their perspective. It's all what Pass and Move is all about. Remember to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you for watching. See you next time.